Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here with a chicken pizza pie recipe. These are crispy outside and soft and cheesy inside. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Firstly, in a bowl, take quarter cup of warm water. Into it, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1.5 tablespoon of yeast. Mix it and keep it aside, letting the yeast to activate. Now in another large mixing bowl, refine 2 cups of maida. Into it, add 1 teaspoon of salt and refine it. Then add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 whole egg, and our yeast mixture which has well activated. Use a spatula and stir until the wet and dry ingredients are well combined. Gradually pour some milk and knead the dough by hand for about 2 minutes, just until it is well soft or no streaks of flour remains and the wet and dry ingredients are really well blended. Next, cover the dough tightly with a plastic wrapper by not letting any air inside for 2 hours. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the chicken for the stuffing. For that, here I have taken 500 grams of chicken which I have cut into small cubes. Into it, add 1 whole tablespoon of crushed garlic, salt for taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 whole lemon juice, half a cup of curd. Mix it well until the chicken is well marinated and set aside for 30 minutes. Then in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and shallow fry the chicken until well cooked in a medium flame. When done, take it out of the flame and set aside. It have been 2 hours and our dough has nicely risen up and doubled in size. Again, knead it with your hand for about 30 seconds and roll it in such a way and cut quarter half of the dough and keep it aside. Sprinkle your surface gently with some flour and start rolling out your first pie crust to a 12-inch size or to the size of your baking pan. Grease the baking pan with some butter and place the dough. While placing the dough, you should have a little bit of dough hanging over the edges. Shape the dough to the pan at the edges. Give the dough some small paws with a fork, then starting with the filling by spreading 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, adding on some mozzarella cheese, spreading some chopped capsicum and sliced onions, now adding on our fried chicken, some black olives, again some mozzarella cheese, and at last sprinkle some red chili flakes and oregano. Now going for the second pie crust, sprinkle some flour on your surface and roll the dough to a 10-inch size. And give small cuts likewise. This is for the design at the top of the pie. Place the dough on top and press and stick at the edges. Make sure to stick it properly at the edges. If not, then it will get separated while baking. In a bowl, take one whole egg and give it a quick whisk and spread on top of our pie. This is to give a good shine and texture to the pie. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for about 15 to 25 minutes. It have been 20 minutes and our chicken pizza pie is ready to be served. As you can see, it has got a good texture and is very cheesy inside. These are delicious and mouth-watering, so go give it a try and let me know your feedback. And also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Bye-bye.